Exercise. Introduction. Which of the following statements about exercise is true? Choose one of the following options. 1. Exercise is boring. 2. Exercise is expensive. 3. You should feel pain during and after exercise. 4. None of the above. Correct. These are all myths about exercise. Mary and her family exercise regularly together. It is cold outside today with temperatures below freezing. Should Mary and her family exercise outside today? Select yes or no. Correct. Extreme weather conditions are reasons not to exercise outside, but Mary and her family can find ways to exercise and stay active inside. If you are busy, you must make time to maintain and boost your fitness level. Select true or false. Correct. Thank you for using Explain.